The national power company in the Faroe Islands, SEV, is working hard towards a greener future. By 2030, the entire energy use on land covered by electricity will derive from green energy sources.
On A, and we can see that in this case, without F0,
an efficient and coordinated use of nature's energy sources will release the Faroe Islanders from thermal energy. The vision is to convert an entire society to green energy.
Okkara visjon at orkunusla av landet kan komma fra væran kjeldon, öll som hon innan 2030.
This promise is based on great advances in the exploitation of sustainable energy sources. As early as 2014, 51% of SEV's energy production came from sustainable water and wind power systems. The new wind park in Husahøya was a major breakthrough. These 13 wind turbines have reduced SEV's use of fossil energy by 20% since their launch in October 2014. This year, in 2015, SEV expects 60% of the total electrical supply of approximately 315 gigawatt hours to come from sustainable energy sources. SEV's next goal is that in 2020, 75% of the energy supply will come from sustainable energy sources. It's a massive challenge for the small isolated Faroese power system to lay such a large part of its power production on the shoulders of the changeable wind and hydropower. SEV's entire electrical system has been upgraded to manage the fluctuations of the wind.
Vi klarar att ta emot mer orske fra vindmøllen I det. Kan vi gjøre det for. Og det teknikkeren I vindmøllen som gjør det, og det batteriskipene. Og så det øsene den utbyggeren som vi har hinverskene som vi har skiftet ut. Vi gjør flere år for å gjøre klart til å kunne ta emot mer orske fra vindmøllen.
SEV's challenge is to deliver stable electricity of the highest quality 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year, whilst providing its own backup system. This in itself is a huge challenge that has only grown by the vision of 100% green energy by 2030. Innovation is essential in order to harness the power of the wind. Together with international partners, the French battery company Saft and the German wind turbine manufacturer Enercon, SEV is developing battery and control systems that aim to use the wind energy in the isolated Faroe Islands to the fullest.
This means also that we have to reduce the output power in case of 95%, 90%, 85%.
This groundbreaking innovation to harness the wind has made the Faroe Islands an attractive test area for new technology for harvesting this energy. In order to both balance and store the green energy, for it to be deployed in the dry and calm summer months, SEV is contemplating both pumped storage and hydrogen energy storage systems. In the global search for green energy, the work and developments within the Faroe Islands are gaining international attention.
It's a good example for the future, how to cope with the energy problems and how to shift energy production from conventional diesel power plants to renewable energies.
In order to fulfill SEV's vision of a green future, it is essential to exploit other sustainable energy sources. In the near future, SEV will, within an experimental time period, deploy tidal turbines in the Faroese Seas, while the power company also closely follow the international developments in solar energy. SEV is owned by the Faroese municipalities, and as such only works for the good of the Faroese society and its people. However, its efforts are contributing towards the global effort for a sustainable future. Founded in October 1946, SEV has single-handedly electrified the Faroe Islands for the past 70 years. Now, the time has come for SEV to, one step at a time, move the Faroe Islands closer to the vision of 100% green energy on land within 15 years.